Your body. Do you not know that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit within you, which you have from God, and that you are not of your own? 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 19. Human beings were created by God for his purpose, but God also gave each person the ability to make his or her own choices. This is called free will. The Apostle Paul told the church in Corinth, because it was the temple of God, that it was not free to do anything and everything with its body. The church have a higher purpose. It was called out to be God's representative on earth. In order to make good choices, we must ask God for the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit will guide us and direct us to all wise choices that honors and serve God. Remember, your body is God's body.